let's show you last week all our activities inspired Taylor. And Taylor went out last week to this big vacant field that was full of garbage and started cleaning it up. And you can see here, Taylor filled up 4 big garbage bags full of garbage. And not only did she clean up the garbage, she was styling too. And these stylish boots and these super shades, look at that. Looks like a little model out there cleaning up trash. Good job, Taylor. Hey, one person can make a difference, and Taylor made a difference last week. We are so proud of you, Taylor. You want to say anything? Sure? You want to tell everyone to have a good day? No? I'll tell them for you. On behalf of Taylor and Miss Lozano, back to our co-host.